Welcome to Everyday English Podcast. Hello, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Hi, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Perfect. Okay, Anna, what are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about something we all do every single day. We are talking about our study routine. Or, well, for some of us, maybe we don't have a routine yet.
That's true. A lot of people want to study English, but they don't know how to start. Or they start and then they stop. So today, we will learn how to talk about our study habits.
Yes, and talking about your routine is a fantastic way to practice English. You use the present simple tense, you learn new verbs, and you can talk about your life. So if someone asks you, how do you study English, you will know exactly what to say after today's episode.
Perfect. So let's start with the basics. Let's think about the morning. Anna, tell me, what is the first thing you do when you study? What's your routine?
Well, I like to study in the morning. My brain is fresh. Remember, fresh means new and ready to work. So my routine is I wake up, I make some tea, and then I sit at my desk.
You make tea, not coffee.
No coffee for me. Tea. So my routine is simple. I start by reviewing my vocabulary. I have a notebook, and I look at the new words from the day before.
That's a good idea. Review means to look at again. So you review your notes. Okay, let's practice a simple sentence for our listeners. Repeat after me, everyone. I start by reviewing my vocabulary.
Great. Now, for me, after reviewing, I do some listening. I listen to a short podcast like this one, or I watch a video. So I can say, then I practice my listening skills.
Practice my listening skills. That's a very useful phrase. So your routine is first review vocabulary, then practice listening. What's your study routine? Is it the same?
No, I am the opposite. I am not a morning person. I study in the evening after work, so my routine is different. First, I turn off my phone. This is very important. No notifications.
Very smart. No distractions. Distractions are things that take your attention away, like your phone or the TV.
Exactly. So after I turn off my phone, I focus on reading. I read one page of a book in English, just one page. It's easy, so I don't feel tired.
That's a great tip. Make it small and easy. So your sentence is, I focus on reading for 20 minutes.
Perfect. Let's all say that together. I focus on reading for 20 minutes. Wonderful. Okay, so we have two different routines, one in the morning, one in the evening. But sometimes it's hard to study, right? Sometimes you don't feel like it.
Oh, yes. Some days you just feel lazy. This is a very common problem. What do you do on those days, Anna?
On those days, I have a trick. I say to myself, okay, Anna, just study for 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I usually want to continue. So the key is to just get started.
Just get started. That's a great piece of advice. You can also change your routine. For example, if I don't want to read, I listen to music instead. I listen to English songs and try to understand the words.
Oh, that's fun. Listening to music is a great way to study. So we can say, if I feel tired, I change my routine and listen to music.
Yes, let's practice that one. Repeat. If I feel tired, I change my routine.
Good job, everyone. So we've talked about our routines, but let's imagine a conversation. Let's pretend you meet a new friend and they ask you, so how do you study English? What do you say?
Good question. Let's make a short example dialogue. I will be the new friend, and you, Anna, can be the English learner.
Okay, let's do it.
Hey, Anna, your English is really good. How do you study?
Oh, thanks, Mark. Well, I usually study for about 30 minutes every day. In the morning, I start by reviewing vocabulary, and then I focus on listening to podcasts.
Wow, every day? That's great. Do you ever study grammar?
Yes, sometimes. On weekends, I practice grammar for a little bit, but I try to make it fun. I use an app on my phone.
That's a fantastic routine. Thanks for sharing.
See, it's simple. You just use the phrases we practiced. I usually study, I start by, I focus on.
And don't forget, on weekends or in the evening These are called time markers. They help people understand your schedule.
Exactly. Time markers are so helpful. Let's list a few more. You can say in the morning, after work, before bed, or 3 times a week.
Great. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes. Anna, what is a mistake you hear sometimes?
Okay, a common mistake is with the word every day. Listeners, be careful. Every day is one word and it's an adjective, like my everyday routine. But every day is 2 words and it means each day. For example, I study English every day, not every day.
Oh, that's a good point. The pronunciation is the same, but the writing is different. So remember, I have an everyday routine. I study every day.
Perfect. Another common mistake is with the verb to do and to make. For routines, we usually use do. For example, I do my homework or I do some reading. We don't usually say I make my homework.
Right. Make is for creating something, like I make dinner. But for study activities, use do. I do a listening exercise. I do a quiz.
Yes. Even 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes. So be kind to yourself and keep practicing.
That's the spirit. Well, we are at the end of our episode for today. We hope this helps you talk about your own study habits.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to the Everyday English podcast. Tell us about your study routine. Do you study in the morning or at night? We want to know.
Yes, please do. And don't forget to hit the like button. Your support helps us make more episodes for you.
Thank you so much for listening. Remember, every day is a great day to learn something new.
Keep practicing your English every day. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.